guys, welcome to the video of W Fixing today. So we are going to see top 7 ways to fix control panel not opening on Windows 10. So I am going to solve this problem in step by step manner, so you have to follow my steps, all the steps. So the first step is to update Windows. Before diving deep into the other solutions on the list, first you would make sure your Windows is up to date. Okay, so for that what you will do is just search settings or go to settings here first, then go to Windows Update. So yeah, where you will see here the Windows Update. Okay, so Windows Update is just go to updates and security. Okay, then after what you have to do is check for updates. Just check for updates. So if you have any previous updates, ignore the Windows 11 version because it's saying me, but we have to follow the current version updates. Okay, so check whether your current update is up to date or not. So it's showing here me to checking for updates. If your device is not updated or Windows is not updated, then just update from here. Okay, I will close this window finally. The second is you have to run SFC scan. For that you have to open your what you have to do is you have to open your CMD, that is command prompt. Type CMD in the search box, then you will see the command prompt. Don't open directly here. Just click on run as administrator. So I will click on that, then say yes, and you will see in front of us there is a screen. So we have to enter one command in this command prompt. So that command is sfc space slash scan now. Okay, just type as it is, give space after sfc and slash scan now. Just enter. So it will start scanning your PC. Okay, so it will take time upon your PC configuration, how your PC is configuration, it will complete fast at that way. Then wait for a bit, so it will complete, but I will not wait for a bit because I have already problem solved. Okay, so just to show you I have done this. So we will go towards our next solution, that is check for malware. So how to check for malware? Just we have to open again our settings first. Just click on start button, open settings from here, and you will see here the Windows security options, or where you have to go is updates and security. Okay, so go to updates and security. Then you have to follow some steps here. Virus and threat protection tab. Okay, so just go to here Windows security. On the left side you are seeing here the Windows security tab. Just click on that. Then Windows security tab, open Windows security. Just click on open Windows security. So you will see here in front of us the window, and you will see here virus and threat protection. So just click to that. Then you will see here current threats, no current threats, but if you want you can scan here, quick scan. So it will take a time to scan this. So you have to complete this quick scan to protect your device, and that will solve your problem too. Okay, so just wait a bit since the scan is going on. It will show up here the files which are scanning in your PC, that is almost 9 to 10,000 files will be scanned. But I will close this because I don't want to scan because I have already no current threats. Okay, if you have current threats you can scan here. Okay, so our next step is change display scaling. So for that again we have to go to our settings. I will close this tab and again we will go to our settings here. Then we have to do here is open the system tab, click on system. Okay, then after the system, in the entering after the system you have to type the display, click on display. So you will see here in front of us there is already a display tab in front of us. Then scale and layout, we have to choose the scale and layout option. What is it? scale and layout. You can see here scale and layout 125% recommended. Now go ahead and try opening the control panel. Okay, so it will solve your problem. Might be 125% you have to keep it. Then next solution is disable Windows error reporting service. So how to do that? You have to type two at a time, that is Windows plus R buttons. You have to click Windows plus R here. Then you will see in front of you the run dialog is running in front of you. That is, you have to type here the ms config. You will see you have the ms config and just click on OK. After you will see the small taskbar or small window in front of you, system configuration as it is my above. Then you have to select services here. Okay, then after you have to uncheck the Windows error reporting service. Okay, what you have to do is scroll all the way down, find and Windows error reporting service, uncheck the Windows error reporting service. So it's arranged in alphabetical manner, so I will go in the last. So you can see here the Windows push notifications users, but we have to find Windows error reporting service. Okay, so it's not here, it's not in alphabetical manner too, so we have to find here the Windows error reporting service. You will find for Windows error, okay, you can see here Windows error reporting service, you have to uncheck. Okay, then click on apply and click on OK. So you can see here you may restart your computer or these changes before starting. So I don't want to restart exit. Okay, so you can restart your PC directly after that. So our sixth solution is tweak Windows registry. How to do that? So we have to open again the registry editor. Just type here regedit. You will see the registry editor and click on open. Then just say yes to here. Okay, say yes to here. Then open start menu here and you will see here the registry editor in front of you. Then again what you have to open is we have to open one file here. So just open HKey current user, just expand it, then open software, then after open classes. Okay, and after that you have to open local settings. Okay, you have to open local settings here. So you will see here the local settings, it's very wide, so it can be the problem if you don't find it. Okay, so just open these local settings, then go to software again, then go to Microsoft, then go to Windows, then after you will see here, after going to Windows, in front of us the Windows registry is here. Then we have to open the shell. Last is our shell. Okay, so we are in the shell right now. Expand shell key and delete bag MRU and bag sub keys. Okay, if you have, just expand it, bag MRS and bag. So you have to delete the both. Okay, just delete this. Now restart your PC and see you are able to open the control panel. So you have to delete this. I will not delete this because I don't have the problem right now. You will not lose any of your data if you delete this. Okay, so thank you for watching this video guys. We will meet again in next